Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning on the feature, open the phone app and go straight to Settings, then Spam and Call Screen. Tap to enable Call Screen and pick when it should trigger unknown callers, suspected spam, or always for testing. Once done, make sure Google Assistant permissions are granted so screening can run hands-free. Without permission, you'll see prompts instead of automation. This direct approach gets you past setup and into using screening right away, so you can test with a quick incoming call. Now customize how screening behaves. Go back to Call Screen settings and select the assistant response style. Use concise replies for speed or detailed prompts for more info. Once configured, enable transcript saving so you can review interactions later, and turn on visual live screen indicators to watch the caller's answers in real time. Also, make sure Do Not Disturb and voicemail settings won't block screened calls. Otherwise, you might miss legitimate callers. These choices change what you hear and see, and they determine follow. To complete a screening session, read the transcript, listen briefly if you allow audio, and then choose Answer, Mark as Spam, or save the number to contacts. Once you finish, review saved transcripts in call history to refine settings, make screening stricter or more lenient depending on false positives. If screening stops working, verify assistant and microphone permissions, restart the phone app, or clear its cache. These steps usually restore functionality. Keep testing with a trusted number until behavior matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.